Hi, and welcome back to Fager's Island. There's a slight chill in the air, so it must be fall. And we've been hard at work over the past couple of weeks trying to come up with some cocktails that highlight the flavors of the season. Now, what are some fall flavors? Here we go. We have allspice, ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, and apples and carrots. Now I'm going to show you how to put all these flavors into a glass for a fantastic fall cocktail, the Fager's Fall Harvest. Let's get started. Alright, to make the Fager's Fall Harvest, we need 1.5 ounces of apple brandy, a 1/4 ounce of allspice dram, 1.5 ounces of carrot juice, a 1/4 ounce of cinnamon simple syrup, and then we're going to top that with ginger beer. Give it a couple quick tosses. Then we're going to top it with some fresh grated nutmeg. And there you have it. Fall on a glass, Fager's Fall Harvest. Enjoy!